Hey guys, so now let's look at question 27. Question 27 says that given that the coefficient of the term in b cube in the binomial expansion of a plus b to the power of 5 is 40, then a is equal to what? So with this question, kind of confused me the first time I watched it, to be honest with you. But I looked at it again, and what I noticed is this, right? So you have, what they're asking you for is a. They're asking you for the value of a. And they're telling you that the coefficient of b cubed is equal to 40. So let's try to find out what is the coefficient of b cubed, right? So let's use, this is, because this is positive 5, let's use the condensed formula for the binomial expansion for positive real numbers, right? Where n is a positive real number. Not positive real number. Yes, a positive real number, positive integer. Sorry. Where n is a positive integer. That is what I want to say. Where n is a positive integer. So this is the condensed formula. N is 5. So it's n, which is 5 CR by e to the power of 5 minus r by b to the power of r. So r had to be equal to 3 to get b cubed. So let's just focus on this guy here. So this will be 5c3a, and it will be 5 minus 3, which would give you 2b to the 3. So this is a coefficient of b cubed, and the saying this here is equal to 40. So it means that 40 is equal to 5 choose 3 by a squared, and they're asking us to find a, right? 5 choose 3 is, if you plug that into a calculator, you will get 10 a squared, and then we solve for a, you would get a squared is equal to 40 divided by 10, which is 4. So therefore a is equal to the square root of 4 plus or minus, but it looked like you might only get the plus value as an answer, so you'll get 2 here, right? So therefore a is the answer here, and that's how you get this answer here, right? The answer is not 10, is e. The answer is e, which is 2, right? So that's basically that. Now let's look at question 28. Question 28 says the sum of the infinite geometric series this here is, here what they're asking is basically for us to find the sum to infinity of this infinite geometric series. That's basically what they want us to do. Sum to infinity is given by s with the little infinity sign as the subscript is equal to a on 1 minus r, where a is your first term. That would be 180. So we plug that in there. 1 minus r. R is actually, you see that negative 60 divided by 180, right? Is always this term, right? Being divided by this term, or you could even get it by saying the 20 divided by the negative 60. You'll get it like that as well. So this would give you, this would come off here. 6 into 6 is 1, 6 into 18 is 3. You'll get negative a third. Be very careful how you're putting in your third here, right? And then you would get, basically, you could plug all this into a calculator. When you plug it into a calculator, you should get 135, right? Be very careful. If you do put this negative sign here, right, and you know, if you forget to put it, you'll get 270, and that's wrong, right? That's not the correct answer. So 135 is the answer. So be very careful with your signs here. That signs is what will cause you to get 135, which is the answer there. So with that said, guys, that's the solutions to question 27 and 28. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share it to somebody that you believe it can be helpful to. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment. Where the solutions is concerned, yeah, feel free, and I will see you in the next video.